Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. Today I have come back with a full day vlog in which you will be seeing how I manage my day preparing the food for kids and how kids manage their virtual and face-to-face exam timings, and most importantly my budget gardening with recycled products. Now let's get started with early morning routine of making a cup of coffee. At first I will be having a hot water. After that I will be following with the coffee. Everybody had their breakfast independently of their choices, either cereals or bread omelette or bread butter jam or peanut butter. And then let's get started with the school. I am going to just drop my kid in school for exam. Though they are still in virtual school, for exam you have to go face to face. For that reason it's a very rainy day too. In the morning it was raining, but later in the afternoon it wasn't. I just went to drop my kid and I have to again go for picking up. Only the exam time I will be dropping them. In between drop and pick up I have to manage my cooking time. Both the kids have different times for their exams, so I have to go again and again for pickup and drop. So that's how I will be a little bit busy in the morning hours for only 2 to 3 days when they have exam. Today I am sharing this vlog just before the month of Ramadan. I wanted to share all my gardening videos which I have prepared to share with you all. Hope you all like it. Keep watching till the end to see the amazing gardening tips, tricks and using all the recycled products so that you can manage your budget and save a lot. This road is a very scenic road. You can see every season it will look different with different colors due to fall or spring or summer. Now let's get started with the cooking. I am just preparing rice and simple meal I have planned for today. It is rice with dal. Brown rice I am preparing. Everybody in my house is used to having brown rice itself. I am preparing plain dal in with just tomato, onion, garlic, chilies, turmeric, and I am using some kokum for the tanginess. If you want you can use tamarind, and then jeera and water. That's it. I will just pressure cook it, and until then my rice will also get ready. With that I will be preparing a simple potato and okra side dish. Just fry it and I'll be done with the side dish. It's very easy that I prepare this potato and okra. Just add chili powder, turmeric powder, pepper, salt and some little bit of water with oil, and your potatoes are halfway done. Then you add the okra and our potato and okra poriyal will be ready. Poriyal is the South Indian way of telling this vegetables, fried vegetables. Very quick I had to prepare this lunch because in between I have to go for pickup also. Morning it was too early when my elder one was going. My husband dropped them. Now I have to go again for picking up, so I am finishing my work as quick as possible and going to pick my elder one from the high school. He's a high schooler. After picking him up, I have to go back home again and continue with my cooking, and then I'll come back again for the younger one. Until then dal was ready and rice is also ready. You can see I'm just using my hand blender to blend this dal. Adjust the water and add the sambar powder, which is a must. Nice, gives a nice flavor. Mix it well and prepare it for tempering. The potato and okra was also ready. I am just shifting it to the serving bowl, and let's continue with the tempering for dal. While cooking the dal, again I added lot of small onions or shallots, which is the vegetable like I added in this, because today I'm not adding any vegetable in the dal. It's a very simple tempering in which I use zeera, mustard, curry leaves and little bit of onions. I will fry them well and add it to the dal. Adding ghee will give nice enhanced taste for the dal. Do try it, it's very tasty. Now I added enough coriander, which will also add flavor to dal, and our tasty delicious dal is ready. Now full meal is ready. You can see even the rice is ready, dal is ready, and our vegetables are ready. I have come to pick my younger one, and he is also back. Now all kids have to go and join again their virtual class. They went only for attending their exam. When they were attending the exam, they will have been given some work which they have to immediately come and finish it up before their lunch time gets over. As soon as they come, it will be their lunch time. I just gave lunch to both my kids and went back to my me time work, that is my gardening work. Today I had planned for gardening. A little touch of non-veg by frying these kebabs, which will be always ready in my freezer. If you have seen my make and freeze recipes, you will know. Please do check the links I will give in the description. These are the recycle boxes which I told you. These, whenever you buy any biryani or yogurt or dosa batter or any fruits, grapes and even mushrooms, you will get these types of boxes. All those boxes I had just given holes in the bottom for drainage and prepared it for potting. These are the 2 large pots in which every year I will be preparing my Malabar spinach plants. This year I wanted them to be fresh plants. Usually I will save the plant for next year, but this year I left it completely in the winter outside. Now I am removing and discarding all the plants which are dried up, and I just sowed new seeds. They will take a little longer, that's why I sowed these seeds and let it grow. These 2 pots will be giving you so much spinach that every week you will have a bunch of spinach, Malabar spinach. Like this, I will be saving few seeds to share with my friends and whoever asks me. Anybody wants, you can ask me to. Now these are seeds of kulfa seeds. This is also another kind of spinach. Last year when I was pruning every time for cooking the kulfa or the parpu keera in Tamil they say, I will be just taking those flowers and all the seeds will be falling down when you are pruning the leaves. Those I take and keep it this way, and now I am just sowing all these seeds also. It will take very less time to germinate. They will very quickly come up. These are also very tasty ones. Now next you can see I have taken small onion bulbs. This I got for $1 or $2. I got this bag. There were 100 bulbs in that. Again and again I keep sowing these bulbs. These are flowering plants you would have seen in my home center, that is garden center from Home Depot. I brought all these flowering plants and few vegetable plants also. Starting from the seed means you have to start from February itself. Due to lack of space of keeping all these seeds inside the house, the weather will be very bad. I just bought few plants from the Home Depot garden center. So I am just repotting all of those plants itself. I am not showing you all the repotting as such. You can see the pots what I am using to repot these plants are all either dosa batter boxes or any yogurt box. You can see those are only my pots. I am not going to spend much buying any pots. As we are foreigners in this country, anytime I will be free to move any part of the country due to various reasons. For that reason, I keep myself very free of all these boxes or pots. I am not going to buy new pots and make myself heavy. Even these potting mix bags can be serving you as a pot. This is a nice heavy duty potting mix bag. I bought 2 or 3 potting mix bags from Costco. That was also very cheap this time. It was on offer, only $6 for 50 lb big bags. When it is getting over, you can use it this way for potting plants in them. They also serve as pots. You can keep in one side and do not move, and make nice big holes in the bottom for drainage. This every year I do, and it works very fine and perfectly fine. You can also try. My patio is a very small place where I managed to keep lot of vegetable plants, more of vegetable plants. I have few flowering plants I keep for pollination. Lot of bees will come. Now what you're seeing is all capsicum and chili plants. I'm just snipping the top of each and every plant. This is a must. You will see it is a very healthy plant, but you have to snip it at the top so that you will get multiple branches from the sides. In a week or two you will get the branches. That each branch also thrice you should be snipping it like this, so that you will have lot of branches. Lot of branches means you are going to harvest lot of chilies or capsicum or bell peppers. So sure, give it a try. See, last week I pruned this one. See, so many branches have started to come from the sides. That's how it works. Even in small pot, innumerable branches will come. Now you can see this is Malabar spinach or Pasalakira, and this is Ponnangani Kira or Ponnagannu. In Andhra they say this way. All these are pots growing nicely. One pot became 4 pots. Like that, every pot is going to multiply every time you grow. These all pots sitting here are from past 3 years to 2 years. Every time any new pots are there, I will add it to it. See, all onions, tomatoes, everything are nicely growing well. Just I wanted to share all these gardening tips and tricks before the month of Ramadan. Next video of all this gardening will be after Ramadan. These all are eggplant and these are chilies. That is homemade compost. You can see, I will show you some other time how to prepare it. All these are chili plants, and this is basil plant. This is hot pepper, that is hot chilies. These are Carolina Reaper or even habanero chili, both together it is there. I will be sharing with many of my friends. This is my curry leaf plant, got infected in between. I had to just prune everything, every leaf of it. Now new growth has started. I am very happy about it. My next gardening video will be after Ramadan only, or in between. If I see very extraordinary growth, I will also share that. After whole day's work, a little nap followed by a cup of tea is very refreshing. Sharing few pics from the past. Hope you all like it. Happy gardening. If even any one of you pot a single pot, that is a great happiness. Growing plants and seeing them grow is much gives you more satisfaction and mental peace. Do surely try. Thanks for watching. If you like my videos, do like, share and subscribe to my channel. Live tasty, be happy. Bye bye.